So hey guys, this is Gellis at Infinite Modesty Design. Who we are? We are a Toronto Sewing and Fashion Studio, and right now we teach the art of sewing and fashion online. Beginners to advanced, you got it. Click the link below. Check us out. We also have an online membership club where we connect every month and sew together as a sewing community. Of course, if you need to take any of our class, especially if you want to go into dressmaking, pattern making, click the link on the description below and contact us and see how we could get you started. All right, so guys, listen, in this video I'm going to show you how to preserve your sewing pattern. You know, many times you buy your patterns in the store and it's very neat and nice. All of a sudden you try to put everything back and it's not working. Then this is what this video is all about. We'll show you how to get things started. Let's go. Pellon Interfacing, what it is, how to use it. Well, let's get started. So what is interfacing? Is Pellon, it's adhesive. Now interfacing can be used for a lot of different purpose. Now this here I have is lightweight interface, very light. So one side of the interface is very smooth and the other side is a little bit rough, so that's where the glue is. And we want to actually go ahead now and ensure that we iron this pattern on the glue side so you can actually preserve. Now if you're thinking about, okay, where can I get interface? I have lots of interface. If you're locally, you could contact me locally. The description will be there, or you could actually check it out on my website or on my SD store. The link should be in the description. So let's get started. So how do you do that now? Now, well, the first thing you want to do, you could actually just lay your interfacing flat. There's several ways you could do it, of course, but in this case I laid flat here like this, and then I will take the wrong side of my pattern. So you see, this is the wrong side. This is, I can really read that well on this side. This is the side I could read it, right? So the wrong side would go on the adhesive side. So this is the rough side where the glue is. And then what I will do, I will just iron it on. So if you have like a lot of patterns, you could just spread a long piece of interfacing and just put it on like I have it like this. So let me just go ahead and just iron. You could actually iron it on a low iron, so low warm iron. All right, so when you iron it, so what you can do now, you can easily fold it. Easily tuck it away. No more bulk like this one. There you go. Try it out.